Hi, I'm Rob Owens, President of Mechanamax Mezzanine Solutions.
And I'm Ryan Owens, and my title's not important. I'm the one that makes sure your space works for you. We design and build modular steel, bolt-together mezzanines. The system we use is like a heavy-duty Mechano set. It's adjustable and easy to customize to meet your needs.
Jason, the owner of the Benjamin Moore store in Cochran, needed additional storage space and display area in his new store. So we designed and installed a modular mezzanine to meet both his needs.
My name's Jason Bamman. I'm the owner of the Cochrane Benjamin Moore. When we looked at the space, it said we could have up to 40% of it covered off with mezzanine. We kind of decided what we needed what fit the bill for space and height, and what we wanted to achieve with being able to have good retail space and good store space underneath. When I looked at what we needed, it really fit the bill over a wood structure because we couldn't tie into everything that was here. We had to kind of build a self-contained structure that wasn't tied into the existing building. It gives us retail that we're not paying dollars per square foot on. We're just paying on the base area. So it's free retail space which generates sales that don't have overhead in them. So for us, that's what you're always looking for as a business, is a way to get more money out of your business without additional rent or staff wages. I kind of just said I wanted a mezzanine, this many square feet. They drew it out, got the drawing. I sent the drawing off to the town. It got approved. And that was it. Easy for me, which is good. I didn't really know what the town was going to want for permitting, but I went there and they'd said, well, do you have an engineer drawing? Expecting I wasn't going to have one. It was nice to have one, and handed it in, and it made it quick and easy. Once the material was on site, they had it erected and put up pretty quick. Looked good and much more stable than I was expecting it to be. Adding the bathroom and the office were just like framing around any other structure. Everything's square, easy to go up to and bolt into. Having the suspended transformer out of the way was really great. It was a problem that kind of came up halfway through, but they solved it. I had no problems, no creaking. It doesn't sway side to side or anything. It feels like it's part of the building, even though it's not tied in. Everything that they said went according to plan. I kind of thought the timeline might be a little tight, but they got it all done and it turned out fantastic. I got exactly what I wanted. Yeah.
You own your modular mezzanine, not your landlord. If you move, we can dismantle and set up in your new location, just like we did for Ian with 2 Pharmacy.
Hi, my name is Ian Kruger. I'm a pharmacist and a co-owner of 2 Pharmacy in Cochrane. Because of the job that we do have to keep our prescriptions for X number of years, and this storage unit has allowed us to do that. The return on investment's been absolutely a no-brainer for us. That was one of the really amazing things was, at the old house, when it was built, it was very strategically laid out with the openings. There's actually 2 openings in the unit. And then when we moved over to the new house, of course I was a little bit worried, but again the guys were able to kind of tweak it to the new environment, and as far as I'm concerned, it was made for this new house rather than the old house. So it's been pretty neat to see that happen.
Would you like more functional space for your business?
Give us a call. Let's get your space working for you.